Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use reduce function. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use reduce function, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have expense type and amount table. Now I want to find out the sum of the all the expenses except expense below 1000. Okay, so how to do it? Here you have to use reduce function. For it you can also use sum if function, but here I will show you how to use reduce function for this condition. Okay, so you have to use equals to the reduce. Okay, now it will ask for initial value, so you have to enter initial value 0. Okay, 0 comma, now it will ask for array, so array will be this amount section, comma, now we will use lambda. Okay, lambda, then a comma b comma, now we will use if function. So in if function what we want, b should be more than 10,000. Okay, b should be more than 10,000, then a plus b comma a, now bracket close, bracket close, bracket close. So this is the sum of 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 amount. So like this you can use reduce function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.